Get him in here. Get him in here. Yeah. Got him. First cast. Yes. There it is. First cast. Yeah. The hell. Yeah. Nice. Nice. Oh man. Oh man. Let's get a weight on him. Yes. Got a nice hog right there. Yes. He was over there. Yeah. Oops. Yes, got him. All right. Thank you, fish. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. It's getting quite windy. Hard to control this little boat. No rudder. Just pushing me around wherever it wants to go. Might have to cut it short today. Did get that. Yeah. Over the place here. Wow. That's what came out here. Wait, so. There we go. There's something over there. There it is. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Got him. Gotta get him in the boat. Gotta get him in the boat. Yes. Oh my goodness. Yes. 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 What? What? I'm so hungry. Yes. There it is. There it is right there. Oh, yes. Yes, sir. I got to get a weight on you, bro. All right. All right. And I'm stuck. Got you. Oh, man. Did I got you on camera? Huh? Can you see if I got you on camera? I need to get a weight on you, buddy. Alright. That's my little scale thing. Yes, sir. Alright, let's see what we got. About 2 pounds. About a 2-pounder right there. Yes, sir. Alright, let's get you back in the water. Let's go. Alright. Way up in the bushes. Yes, sir. That's going up a little bit. What? Sure did. What? What? Oh man, that's a nice one. Yeah. Oh my goodness. Still got him too. I got a net for you, bro. Oh, you pulling some drag too. Good gracious. Don't break it. Don't break it. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I gotta get you in this man. Yes! Woo! Yes! Oh my goodness. What a chunk. Lord have mercy. Oh my gosh. Oh my goodness. Will you look at that bass? Oh my goodness. Come on. Look at that chunk right there. That is a slab. Woo! Yes, Lord. Yes, Lord. We got to get a weight on you, bro. Oh my goodness. Let's get that. Let's get this. Wow. All right. Tear that out. It's at 0. Oh my gosh. Oh, will you look at that fish? Oh, Lord. Wow. Look at that. Look at that fish. Four pounds. 4 pounds. Oh, 4 point. That fish is 5.5 pounds. Yes, sir. Look at that fish. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Holy cow. This thing got a tape measure on it. This fish is about 19 inches long. Oh, yes. Yeah. All right. Let's see. 3 and 2. Come on. Wow. Crazy. Crazy. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Man. Well, man, oh man. Best day ever. Windy. About 70 degrees. And wow, I didn't expect that, but just goes to show you. Got my PB today. I know it's hard to hear. Thought I'd head on back to the dock. That fish was 4+ pounds. I hope I got some good footage. What a blessing. And wow. I am still riding on that one, because that was, I had to grab my net, put it together, hold the fish. Oh man, too much.